Hi friends, I am Pradeep Shah, TGT Science of Kendriya Vidyalaya CRPF Prayagraj. Today I am going to tell you all about balancing a chemical equation. Dear friends, there is no specific rule for balancing a chemical equation. The only method that we use is heat and trial method. Fine, in order to explain the balancing of chemical equation, I had taken three equations for today. First, when propane is added with oxygen molecule, it forms carbon dioxide and water. Dear friends, we are having three elements here, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen on both this side. This is the left side of the equation, that is reactant, and this is the right hand side of equation, that is product. Dear friends, on left hand side I am having 3 atom of carbon, 8 atom of hydrogen and 2 atom of oxygen. Similarly, on right hand side I am having 1 atom of carbon, 2 atom of hydrogen and 2 plus 1, that is 3 atom of oxygen. Dear friends, we need to balance this carbon first, as because on left hand side we are having 3 atom of carbon and on right we are having only 1 atom of carbon. So friends, in order to balance this equation, we need to multiply this carbon molecule with 3. If we are multiplying this carbon molecule with 3, then the new carbon atom will be 3. Now certainly there will be the change in the number of oxygen atom. So 3 into 2 becomes 6. So new oxygen atom will be 6. Friends, now let us take hydrogen into consideration. On left hand side we are having 8 atom of hydrogen and on right we are having 2 atom of hydrogen. Fine. In order to balance this hydrogen atom, we need to multiply 4 here. 4 into 2, 8. So new hydrogen atom will be 8. Now we can see that on right hand side we are having 3 to 6 atom of oxygen and on left we are only having 2 atom of oxygen. So we need to multiply, we need to balance this oxygen with certain number. We can see 3 into 2, 6 and plus 4, that is 10 molecule of oxygen atom in total. So in order to balance this oxygen atom, we need to multiply 5 here. So 5 into 2 become 10. So dear friends, now we can check 3, 8, 10 on left hand side and 3, 8, 10 on right hand side. So now this equation is balanced. Now let me take another example, that is when sodium hydroxide is reacted with sulfuric acid, it forms sodium sulfate and water. Dear friends, on left hand side I am having sodium 1 atom, oxygen 4 plus 1, that is 5 atom, hydrogen 2 plus 1, that is 3 atom, and sulfur 1. Similarly on the right hand side I am having 2 atom of sodium, 4 plus 1, 5 atom of oxygen and 2 atom of hydrogen and finally 1 atom of sulfur. Friends, we need to start balancing sodium first. On the right hand side we are having 2 atom of sodium, so we need to multiply this sodium hydroxide with 2. New sodium atom will be 2. Dear friends, since we had multiplied this sodium hydroxide with 2, certainly the number of oxygen and hydrogen has been changed. New oxygen atom will be 2 plus 4. 2 oxygen plus 4 oxygen. It will sum up to 6. And new hydrogen atom will be 2 plus 2, that is 4. This 2 will be for oxygen as well as hydrogen. So new hydrogen atom will be 2 plus 2, that is 4. Dear friends, it has been said as per the rule of balancing chemical equation that we need to balance oxygen and hydrogen at the last. So let us check about sulfur. On both the sides we are having 1 atom of sulfur. So we have to look upon the number of hydrogen molecule first between hydrogen and oxygen. So friends, on right hand side we are having only 2 atoms of hydrogen. We need to make it 4. If we want to make it 4, we have to multiply this water molecule with 2. If you multiply this water molecule with 2, then the number of hydrogen will become 4. New hydrogen atom will be 4. And since we had multiplied this water molecule with 4, certainly these 2 will change the number of oxygen atom. New oxygen atom will be 2 plus 4, that is 6. So friends, now we can see number of atoms on left hand side is 2, 6, 4, 1, and on right hand side 2, 6, 4, 1. So this equation is balanced. Finally, let me take the third one. Friends, for balancing the third equation, I had taken ferric oxide plus aluminium will result to form ferrous and aluminium oxide. On the left hand side, I am having ferrous, oxygen and aluminium. Similarly, on the right hand side, I am having ferrous, oxygen and aluminium. 2 atoms of ferrous, 3 atoms of oxygen and 1 atom of aluminium. Similarly, 1 atom of ferrous, 3 atoms of oxygen and 2 atoms of aluminium. We need to balance ferrous first. Since on the left hand side we are having 2 atoms of ferrous, finally we need to multiply this ferrous with 2. So new ferrous atom will become 2. Now we need to multiply oxygen for any certain numbers to make it balance. But we can see the number of oxygen is balanced on the both the side. Finally, we will look up for aluminium. Aluminium on the left hand side I am having 1. On right hand side we are having 2 aluminium atoms. Finally, we need to multiply this aluminium with 2 to make it balance. New aluminium atom will become 2. So finally friends, this equation is balanced. So this is how we can balance a chemical equation. Thank you.